Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah. But no, I was just letting you know. This video doesn't have much to do with anything on the channel at all. But I'm putting it up because it was a good time. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I don't give a fuck. Thanks. Record. Yeah. This is a chat with Jim like a bast. I wish they'd hear you, Cody, but you're on the Xbox. Alright. Lol. It's like when you text in Bay and she take too long to answer, like, okay, man, what you gonna say? Dude, Blizz, this is an optional chat for those players who's canceling the subscription so they didn't give feedback on the game. Do you have any feedback you would like to give? You're damn right. I don't know if you want that. To be honest. Oh shit. But I want the good, bad, and the ugly. Alright. What you want first? What you want first, my dude? I should've... No, I'm not. God damn it, I want to say it so bad, you fucking piece of shit. I'll be like, you guys took my gold whenever I didn't buy it. That was just my buddy trading me from him quitting, and they thought I bought it. Remember when you traded me to the gold? And they thought I bought it? Some bullshit, my nigga. Nah, that's some bullshit. Taking my motherfucking gold. They took 50k. Start with the one that cheeses you the most. Well, it sucks. No, just kidding, bitch. Probably the PvP. Basically, if you I didn't want to put the U in for fucked, so it's like I didn't swear technically. That's why I'm canceling Chill. Yeah, if Legion sucks, fuck that. I'll be like, yo, if you guys give me a be like, yo, I won't cancel my account if you guys just give me like 4 WoW tokens. I don't know why I have a safety knife right in front of me. I'm gonna kill myself. Dude, come on, this nigga's taking forever. Fucking bitch. No gear. Like the epic PvP gear. I said it sucks because basically if you don't have the gear, you're fucked. Like, I mean, yeah, there's, but I feel like if you're doing 2v2 skirmishes, people that are fucking 40 epic geared should not be able to go against you. Just because they couldn't win in a fucking rated arena, so they go in a skirmish just to fucking get your goddamn bitches. Yo, this nigga better pick up your pace. I only got 5 minutes recording left on this Bandicam piece of fucking shit. Nigga, come on. I'll be like, if you guys give me a full set of epic PvP gear, you know, I'll be resubscribing right there. Hit up my boy Cody B. Alright. Well, I don't know what to do because this nigga's taking forever. Alright, you know what? This video's gonna suck. It's because this guy's taking forever. Not to mention, I just don't really know what to say to make this funny. Fuck. Nigga, fuck that. I end up getting my account canceled. They could ban it. And when because I am coming back in Legion, but if they ban it, then it's gone, my nigga. Yeah, they probably could, actually. They're Blizzard. They can do whatever the fuck they want. Alright, well, guys, thanks for watching this shitty-ass video. Oh, he answered finally, saying, understood. Yeah. Yeah. Give me gear. No. Give me a bad ass mother. Give me a badass GM joke. Send me an Origin PC, damn it. I'd be like, you got 3 minutes to send me a freaking GM joke. And by the light of the moon, poof, I was gone. Why did the Raider hug his gear? Why did the Raider hug his gear? What do you think, Andy? I mean, Cody. Why did the Raider hug his gear? Yeah, why did the Raider hug his gear? I don't know why. Why did the Raider hug his gear? Why did the Raider? I'm trying to think if I can move that towards. I just realized I've been smacking this mic because it was in tears. Get it? Tears. Alright, that's. Oh my god. Resubbing right now. No, I'm just kidding. Fuck that. Just, I typed in, I was like, oh my god, resubbing right now. Oh my god, really? No. He's just toying with me. Basically. Oh, dude, I fucking hit like 2 W's. That looks so gay. I said sorry. I'm sorry. Alright. Please. Alright, Soda.
Alright guys, this is UG Privy. Hope you liked the video. Fucking around with the Game Master of World of Warcraft. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on that motherfucking video. Thank you. Peace.
This isn't anything for which doesn't mean a whole lot, but it'll let me know if you guys watch the entire video. Just put at the end comment saying hashtag Privy's gay. Do it. Clickbait. Peace.